Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidil Fahmi bin Adnan from BITC Group 2. Today I will present about Pareto chart from Group 4. As for introduction, a Pareto chart is frequency bar graph. The most frequent activities are placed in order from left to right. Normally, it plots the frequencies of categorical data such as defect or error. The horizontal axis represents the type of activities, such as issue, problem, or cause. The vertical axis represents the frequency of those. As for the purpose of the Pareto chart is to highlight the most important among typical large set of factors. Pareto charts are extremely useful for analyzing what problem need attention first because the taller bars on the chart, which represent frequency, clearly illustrated which variables have the greatest cumulative effect on the given system. In quality control, it often represents the most common source of defect, the highest occurring type of defect, or the most frequent reason for customer complaints. Rules of Pareto chart. Pareto principle, also known as 80/20 rule. It specifies that 80% of the outcome result comes from 20% of the causes. Basically, the Pareto principle states the source of a problem can be divided into two categories. The first, the vital few, a small number of resources that contribute the most problem. The useful many, a large number of remaining resources that individually and collectively contribute a small portion of the overall problem. Regardless of the shape chosen, the well-constructed Pareto diagrams and table include three basic elements: contribute to the overall impact evaluated based on the magnitude of their contribution. How to use? Use a Pareto chart early in quality management process. Figure out what is the business problem, such as what problem are responsible for most complaint or loss in a business, and dedicate improvement resources to the problem. Pareto chart is used to identify and create a solution to the problem. Use a Pareto chart later in quality improvement process. A team is assigned to improve and find a solution to the problem. Pareto chart can help the team to choose important areas to focus on if there are many accidents that the team should have focus on. Hence, a team can choose their direction based on the numbers. Use Pareto chart to build consensus. Pareto chart can be very helpful in resolving conflicts, such as if a project involves many moving parts of crosses over many different units of work functions, such as in a big organization. Team members have a disagreement with each other on how to manage encountered problem and blaming each department for the causes. Pareto chart can help to resolve them. Pareto chart can help to resolve the conflicts. Use Pareto chart outside of quality improvement project. Pareto chart is also a valuable tool for making decisions beyond the world of quality improvement. It helps anyone who wants to visualize the relative importance of various categories. By using Pareto chart, people can use it to prioritize customer needs, opportunity for training or investment. Pareto chart can also be used to even decide choice to eat during lunch. For Pareto analysis is a simple decision-making technique that can help to assess and prioritize different problems or tasks by comparing the benefit that solving each one will provide. It based on the Pareto principle, also known as the 80/20 rule. The idea that 80% of problem may be resolved as little as 20% of causes. How to use Pareto analysis? First, identify and list the problem that being faced. Gather feedback from client and team members. Second, identify the root causes of each problem. Can use techniques such as 5 whys, cause and effect analysis. Third, score each problem. Scoring method that used will depend on the sort of problem that you are trying to resolve. Fourth, group problem together. Use the root causes analysis that carried out in step 3 to group problem together by common sense. Fifth, add group score for each group. The one with the top score should be highest priority, and the group with the lowest score is the lowest priority. Lastly is take action. Pareto example. Pareto chart provides facts needed for setting priorities. It organizes and displays information to show the relative importance of various problem or causes of problem. Placing the item in the descending order of frequency make it easy to discern those problems that are greatest important of those causes that appear the account for most of the variation. Thus, a Pareto chart helps team to focus their effort where they can have the greatest potential impact. They are a key root cause analysis tool. Okay, for the advantage and a disadvantage of Pareto. For the advantage, organization efficiency. The individual will list changes that are needed or organize problem. After list the problem, they can identify the main problem, so it will focus to solve it first other than low problem. Enhance problem solving skill. It enables you to organize work-related problem into cohesive fact, then improve the decision making, able to measure and compare the impact of change that make place in organization. As for the disadvantage, focus on the past. Where the problem already happened, it will be not relevant in the future scenario. Then, show quality data. Pareto charts only show qualitative data such as frequency of an attribute or measurement, so that it can be used to calculate the average of data variability and change in the measure attribute over time. Inaccurate scoring. Successful Pareto analysis lies in the accuracy of scoring each issue. If they fail to give an accurate score of each factor, the result will be inaccurate. Okay, so for the conclusion, helps project manager find the minor costs that affecting the project significantly in the workflow process. It helps prioritize tasks and activity. Helps produce greater efficiency, conserve material, reduce costs or increase safety. Being variant, simple to draw, use and communicate problem to stakeholder. That's all for today. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.